How to troubleshoot inaccessible server logs. Have you ever faced the frustrating situation of not being able to access your server logs? If so, you are not alone. Server logs are vital for diagnosing issues and monitoring system performance. Let's look at how to troubleshoot inaccessible server logs effectively. First, start by verifying the log file location and permissions. Check the server or application configuration files to find the exact path where the log should be stored. For instance, web servers like Apache clearly define log file paths. Ensure that the log directory exists and that the user or service running the server has the necessary read and write permissions to access these files. Next, check the status of the logging service or daemon. Many servers depend on logging services, such as log daemon or system logging, to record logs. Make sure these services are running smoothly by checking their process identifiers. If you notice a process identifier that changes frequently or is missing, it might indicate that the logging service has crashed or restarted unexpectedly. Another important step is to inspect disk space and log storage. If your disk is full, new logs cannot be written. Check the available storage on the disk where logs are stored. Also, ensure that log rotation is configured properly to manage old logs. This prevents log files from becoming too large and filling up the disk. Review the log configuration settings next. Look for any errors or misconfigurations that may have occurred. Make sure logging is enabled, the log level is set correctly, and the format and destination are specified accurately. Misconfigured paths or disabled logging options can lead to missing logs. It is also useful to analyze any error messages from the log daemon or server. Use command line tools to monitor log files in real time and search for error messages related to logging failures. Messages indicating connection issues or segmentation faults can point to underlying problems that need addressing. Don't forget to check for security or access control restrictions. Sometimes, access to logs may be blocked by security policies or firewall rules. Verify that the system has the necessary permissions to write logs and that security settings are not restricting access. If the logs are full, new entries may not be recorded. You may need to clear the logs or set them to overwrite old entries as necessary to restore logging functionality. Lastly, if you are using remote logging, confirm network connectivity and permissions. Ensure that logs sent to remote storage or logging servers have the proper access rights. For example, cloud storage buckets must allow write access for the logging service. By systematically checking these aspects, log file permissions, logging service health, disk space, configuration accuracy, error messages, security settings, log capacity, and network access, you can effectively troubleshoot inaccessible server logs. This approach not only helps in resolving issues but also supports effective debugging and bug fixing by restoring access to critical log data.